Greetings. In this video, we are going to discuss plant movements. Plants make movements in response to external stimuli. Plant movements can be categorized into tropic movements and nastic movements. Tropic movements are directional movements in which the direction of stimulus determines the direction of response. They may be positive tropic movements if the plant part moves towards the stimulus, or it may be negative tropic movements if the plant part move away from the stimulus. Depending upon the type of stimulus, tropic movements are phototropic movements. In these movements, plant part move in response to light. For example, stem bends towards light, so we can say stem is positively phototropic. On the other hand, root bends away from the light, so we can say roots are negatively phototropic. Second type is geotropic movements. In these movements, plant part move in response to gravity. For example, stem move away from the gravity or earth. So we can say stem is negatively geotropic. On the other hand, roots move towards the gravity or earth. So we can say roots are positively geotropic. Third type is chemotropic movements. In these movements, plant part move in response to some chemical. For example, pollen tube during the germination move towards the ovule only. So this is example of chemotropic movement. Fourth type is hydrotropic movements. Here, plant part move in response to water. For example, root always grow towards the source of water. So, roots are positively hydrotropic. Fifth type is thigmotropic movements. In these movements, plant part move in response to touch. For example, plant tendrils coil around a support and climb up. So we can say tendrils are positively thigmotropic.